topping that is just known by the top surface of the floor, you can say. And that is just constructed of the stone chips and cement mixture. Like in cement mortar, what we have is actually the cement plus sand. And stone chips, or you can say it is just like a mosaic floor, okay, where we have cement and then stone chips, which are just 5 mm in size. So again, the topping stone chips, that is 1:3. It means 1 is just the cement and 3 times of stone chips is taken. Very simple, okay? Now the total area that is just given. So the total wet volume can be calculated the same thing as the area times the thickness. Okay, area is known 30 and the thickness that is just 4 centimeters. Or you can say 0.04 meters. Now the volume is actually 1.2 cubic meters, and we can calculate actually the materials. The same formula can be used. Ratio of material divided by sum of ratio times the dry volume. Now, in order to calculate the quantity of cement, it is the same thing like 1/4, because 1 is the ratio of material, 4 is the sum of ratio. And this is actually 1 plus 3. So we have actually the sum of ratio, and that is just 4. So 1/4 times the dry volume. The topping actually is the same thing as cement mortar, because we have only two materials, the cement and the stone chips. If you have the budgery or cast stone, then you have to use 1.54, because that becomes then maybe concrete. This time it's like a mortar because we have only two ingredients. Okay, so the wet volume times 1.27. Now what's 1.27? We have already covered this. So the wet volume that is known, 1.2 times the factor. So we have the dry volume equals 1.524 cubic meter. We will just bring this video over. So we have the quantity of cement, which is actually 0.381 cubic meters. Okay. Now divide this by the volume of one cement bag. So we can have the quantity of cement in cement, you can say in number of bags maybe. All right. So now we have the cement bags, which is 10.88 bags for the same topping only. And next we have actually stone chips, which are, you can say, just small stones, okay? You may have seen these things on site, maybe in your home while constructing floors, okay? So the stone chips should be the quantity of the material, which is the cement quantity that is just known. We have calculated that few seconds ago, times the ratio of stone chips, which is actually just 3, you can see that. And this becomes actually now 1.143 cubic meters. It means for the same floor, which is 30 square meter, we have different materials. The brick ballast, we have actually the cement, which is 15.8 bags. We have actually the sand, and then we have the budgery. Very easy, okay? And then actually in the topping, we have cement and then, of course, stone chips. Is it clear? Is there any question? You guys can hear me, right?
ये स्टोन चिप्स जो होते हैं सर,
Yes.
इसमें सिर्फ सीमेंट सकते हैं एज अ बाइंडर।
Yes, exactly. We have cement and stone chips. Because in the ratio, we have only two ingredients. Okay, this is 1:3. There can
ओके सर।
be there can be another ratio as well. No problem. And you have to then calculate materials based on the same ratio. Like if there is maybe ratio of 1:2, where there can be cement and there can be actually sand and there can be stone chips. So these three things, then you have to just put the ratios for the same material calculation. It's the same process can be used. Okay, let's move ahead.